Have you ever had times when you cannot even look at a code editor and just thinking about programming associates with bad feelings and experiences? Well, let me tell you 10 steps to achieve that easily, so you know what you should avoid in the next coding session. And stick to the end for the ultimate guide to fun and productive coding sessions, to develop the skill of the future with a smile on your face. Step 1. Surround yourself with distractions. The easiest way to lose motivation for coding is to fill your workspace with all sorts of distractions. Keep your phone close by, turn on the TV, and make sure you have a never-ending supply of snacks. Who needs focus, right? Remember, coding is just a side dish to your Netflix binge. Step 2. Set unrealistic goals. Challenge yourself with impossible deadlines and overly complex projects. The more overwhelmed you feel, the quicker your motivation will dwindle. Remember, frustration is the key to the motivation. Aim for the stars, but forget to bring a rocket ship. Step 3. Compare yourself to coding prodigies. Constantly compare your progress to those coding prodigies who started coding in their diapers. Feel inadequate and question your own abilities. Nothing kills motivation faster than feeling like you will never measure up. Remember, you are the tortoise in a race against AI-powered hares. Step 4. Dive into unfamiliar languages and frameworks without proper preparation. Pick a language or a framework you know absolutely nothing about and start coding away. When you are drowning in the sea of unknown syntax and concepts, motivation tends to evaporate. Go ahead, play Russian roulette with the programming languages. Step 5. Ignore the power of breaks and rest. Push yourself to code non-stop, neglecting breaks and restful activities. Exhaustion is a great recipe for losing motivation. Remember, burnout is the new trend. Who needs sleep when you can debug? Step 6. Isolate yourself from the coding community. Avoid joining coding communities, attending meetups, or participating in online forums. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who can offer support and inspiration is a sure way to keep motivation intact, so avoid it at all costs. Remember, coding is a solo journey to frustration. Step 7. Focus solely on the negative aspects. Magnify every bug, error, and setback you encounter. Disregard your achievements and fixate on the negatives. Allow self-doubt and frustration to take the center stage. Remember, there is no success without at least 1,000 failed test cases. Step 8. Say goodbye to personal projects and creativity. Stick exclusively to mundane and tedious tasks. Avoid exploring exciting projects or experimenting with new ideas. The more monotonous your coding experience, the faster your motivation will plummet. Remember, creativity is overrated. Step 9. Ignore the impact of rewarding yourself. Forget to celebrate milestones, big or small. Completing a project? Meh, why even bother celebrating? By denying yourself recognition and awards, you will easily lose sight of the joy in the coding. Remember, self-appreciation is for the weak. Step 10. Embrace imposter syndrome. Believe that you don't deserve your coding skills or accomplishments. Attribute everything to luck or fluke. Let self-doubt consume you like an infinite loop. Remember, you are just a beginner forever. Now let's put all jokes aside and, using what we have learned in these 10 steps, develop the ultimate guide to fun and productive coding sessions. Number 1. Surround yourself with an environment that fosters focus and minimizes distractions. Number 2. Set realistic and achievable goals that challenge you without overwhelming you. Number 3. Celebrate your progress and milestones along the way, no matter how small. Number 4. Embrace breaks and rest to avoid burnout and keep your motivation levels high. Number 5. Seek support and connection within the coding community, as it can provide inspiration and guidance. Cultivate a positive mindset, focusing on your achievements and learning from setbacks. Number 7. Engage in personal projects and creative explorations to keep your coding journey exciting. Number 8. Learn at your own pace and embrace the journey rather than comparing yourself to others. Number 9. Remember that coding is a skill that can be learned and improved over time. And finally, always find ways to enjoy the process, have fun, and stay passionate about coding. And just like that, now you are equipped with the knowledge to achieve everything you want in the coding journey. So you, using your coding skills, can be earning thousands of dollars while working from home. And now, click on this video to see how I, using the lessons you learned in this video, made a website in 10 what? Months? Days? Hours? No, 10 minutes. What? That's right. Click to see how I did it.